Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to change sound settings into screen recorder into a NOKIA G10. First of all, open your top bar and find screen recorder start button. So I don't have this button here. Okay, need add this button. So click to pencil and find screen recorder, this one. And now press and hold and drag to top bar. For saving, click back. And now we got this button. So now need press. And here we got record audio. So got three options: microphone, device audio, and device audio and microphone. Or you can turn on this or turn off. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.